Guys, guess what I'm doing today for the engine? I'm gonna be doing the tappet cover letters. Even though it looked nice, you know, before, I know it's now black because I sprayed it again. I'm gonna be making them like it was silver, but like a more of like this silver to match cover here, the plate in the middle. The car's obviously gonna be fast, but it also needs to be, you know, nice looking. But I think I'm just gonna go with 400 grit sandpaper because it's gonna kind of be the best to take off the paint. I'm going straight. Yeah, I just need to touch a bit corner as well because like a bit of chipping on it. I'm getting more and more off of here, you see, slowly but surely. Don't know what I'm gonna really do over here with the VTEC because I can't like get to with the top, can't really get to the top, so but I'll see because I don't want to put it fully on and it might just scratch around. So maybe I'll try something else here. Okay, I just sanded more on here and you can see the letters are looking good. Now I just need to do the VTEC thing. Let me should try going over the scraper. Like something like this. Oh, it's working. Just the scraper method actually works good. Actually, man. Okay, I just had to use the scraper, but yeah, it went much faster because I tried sanding it, but sanding it takes way too long. But I've got most of the paint off, but now I think sanding, now I need to sand to get those like uneven edges out. Okay, I did all the letters now. You see over there. Now I'm just polish it with the steel wool, and then I'm gonna maybe just run slight clear coat around here because I nicked the paint very slightly, even so it's matte, just to protect it. And then yeah, maybe I'm still heat this corner with some slight paint, and then I'm done. Okay, I think that's good enough, guys. It looks decent. I don't have steel wool, like I said. I was polishing with this, but I don't think it made a difference. But now I'm just gonna run a slight clear coat over this area just to protect it after I sanded it. You guys can see I sprayed everything. This corner still busy drying, but the letters I sprayed around them and everything looks clean, you know, especially with the cover here in the middle, like that. Now it looks like it used to look, but before it looked nice, but it was a bit, you know, wouldn't say the best. Like this, it looked quite bad because I nicked over here and there. I don't know what I was doing, but now everything looks so much better. But yeah, make sure you go and follow the Instagram.